Hey y'all, just wanted to hop on here real quick to share with you guys one of my light bulb moments. Just a quick FYI. So recently, Vibe with Sonia, one of the channels that I'm subscribed to, she posted a question on her community page. She said, we always support our own, so why are you not supporting each other as a small YouTuber? It was a very valid question. Small YouTubers tend to subscribe to larger channels, but not the smaller ones, the ones that really need the growth. So I commented on her post and mentioned that as a small YouTuber myself, I tend to subscribe to channels that subscribe to mine. Yes, the large channels appreciate our clicks, our views, and our subscriptions. But how many of those same large channels actually return the favor to assist with our growth? Since I posted my comment, I've received 7 new subscribers, and I've also added those same subscribers to my subscriptions because I believe in supporting those who support me. Symbiosis, right? One of those channels in particular, Chatty Lifestyle, she has a lot of natural juice remedies for females like myself who are suffering with fibroid issues. Educational channels are good to subscribe to, wouldn't you agree? Take some time to go through your subscriptions, and this is something that I do on a weekly basis. I go through each channel that I'm subscribed to and I view a couple of their posts, shorts, videos. I share, I like, I comment, not to all because some people can be rude, but trust me, I believe that if we do something like this, they really would appreciate it. The next time you come across a channel that has content that is relevant to you or someone you may know, why not just go ahead and click these buttons? No? View it, like it, share it, or comment if you are able to. And most importantly, subscribe to that person's channel. It costs like $0. And hey, it doesn't hurt to ask them to return the favor as well. After all, if you can subscribe to their channel, they should be able to subscribe to yours as well. Each one helps one. Symbiosis is the new word for team. By the way, which one of these buttons did you click for me today? Hmm? What good?